This is Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel in East Tennessee. This is the real load that the first real load that my folding dolly has been used on. It pushes effortless. It's super quiet. It's a great addition to my Shop Weasel brand of my Shop Weasel brand stable of products. Controls effortlessly. Awesome cart. It folds up. It's lightweight but big-hearted like everything that I build. Love these wheels. Very nice cart. Real quiet, commanding, effortlessly commanded. I'll move my load over here. I didn't have it centered when I loaded it. It was a little off, but now it's a little off the other way. There you have it. I'll upload this on my way home. I got 40 pounds of bird seed on there and another 20 pounds of legal documents. Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel, awesome dolly. You all have a good one. Thank you.